Hey guys, welcome back to a video for a recipe that has my meal plan members wondering, where has this recipe been my whole life? As you can see, it's very similar to regular rice, and what I love about it is that cauliflower will take on any flavor you add to it. And in this case, the Creole seasoning practically explodes in your mouth. So let's start by seasoning our chicken. I have a chicken breast here that I've cubed into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to add half of the Creole seasoning and toss it around to coat. I do this because I want my chicken to taste like something, not put all the flavor on the rice. Large skillet set over medium-high heat, I'm going to heat up my oil. Then we add the seasoned chicken and sausage. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently until the chicken begins to brown. After that, we add the bell peppers and the red onion. So now the veggies are gonna take in the wonderful flavors of the meat. Let's cook this until the veggies begin to soften up a little. Now we add the tomatoes, and I'm going to break any large pieces with my spatula. I so wish you could smell this. After a few minutes, the tomatoes have begun to cook down, and now we add the cauliflower rice. Let's give everything a good stir to combine, lower the heat, cover, and cook for a few minutes until the cauliflower rice has softened. Oh my, this low-carb jambalaya smells incredible. So let's plate some and check it out. It's filled with veggies, full of flavor, and it's super easy to make. Make sure to check right below this video for the recipe. How cool is that?